them apples. Hey guys, back with another vlog. Basically this vlog is just gonna be a cook with me, and I'm gonna make two things. First, I'm gonna be apple cinnamon rolls, and then brownies. Just heads up, excuse how wrinkled my dress is because everyone in my house is still asleep. Like, I've woken up, I did my hair and makeup. Everyone else is still asleep. So I can't get the steamer out of my mom's closet because I don't want to wake them up. Also, I'm pretty sure their door's locked, so for apple cinnamon rolls, we're just using these cinnamon rolls because we're lazy and we don't want to make cinnamon rolls. Also, just, you know, this is faster, so. I think we have to peel the apples. I've never peeled an apple, but like, is a potato peeler the same? I also never diced apples, so this is gonna be the first. You're gonna witness it. So we have all those diced apples, and now we have to add a 4th cup brown sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Brown sugar, we have light brown sugar. It's also vegan, so we're being healthy. Right? That's how that works. A little more for good luck. She died. She died. Oh, she dead. She dead.
I was faded too fucked up, and you probably think I'm an asshole. Read your facial expression, but it's not every day.
We definitely have too much of that. And for this recipe, it also has it where you can hand make like the sauce, but I'm just gonna use the icing that they give us, because might as well, like, doesn't fucking matter. Okay, so I kind of like, I think I filled them up too much. I don't know, they're kind of like overflowing, but whatever. It's not about the looks, it's about the taste, you know? That's the first batch. It actually doesn't look too bad. I'm pretty freaking proud. I need to add the icing still, but I don't know if I should do that like now or if I should wait. Also, I kind of want to heat the icing up so it like drizzles. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, it said 3 apples, but look how much I have left over. I definitely did not need 3, but whatever. It's fine. I just wasted a whole apple. Second ones, I tried to make them like thinner all around and then like go up more on the sides, but whatever, we'll see how it turns out. Those ones aren't even bad, so like, should be fine. Final product. Yep. Look at me. We out here doing great things. I did good. Wipe me up. I can cook. No, I can't. I can bake.
Okay, we need cashews.
But honey, that coffee creamer, tell her to get 2 or 1 of hers because they're $1.77 if you buy 2.
Did you get all that? So coffee creamers. Take a picture on the kitchen. Chocolate peppermint for Christmas and mocha almond fudge. You'll find it.
I just wanted to say real quick,
that I'm very sorry that you basically can't hear anything that I said in this vlog, but I promise it was interesting, so please like and comment and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Taylor B. Marco and on Twitter at Tay with 3 Y's Marco. Yes, anyways, that's all. Thanks. Like, comment, subscribe. I promise I'm funny. Also, I'm pretty sure I failed chemistry and I might have to drop out of school, so I kind of need this.